Now we are discussing the difference between the voltage and current time-based generators. Time-based generator is a circuit which generates the sweep waveform. This sweep waveform increases linearly with the time and reaches to its initial value after a time period t. Such type of the electronic generator is called as, electronic circuit is called as time-based generator. If the circuit is generating the voltage waveform, sweep voltage waveform, which increases linearly and reaches to its initial value within a time period t, then it is called as voltage time-based generator. If that circuit generates the current waveform which increases linearly and reaches to its initial value within a time period t, then that is called as current time-based generator. So voltage time-based generator is also called as voltage sweep circuit. Current time-based generator is also called as current sweep circuit. This voltage sweep is taken across the capacitor. This current sweep is taken across the inductor. Okay, it is looking like capacitor is charging and discharging. Similarly, inductor is charging and discharging. Capacitor stores voltage, inductor stores the current. Where we use this voltage time-based generator in CRO. Where we use this current time-based generator in televisions, old televisions. Some more applications are we use in radar, radio detection and ranging in order to observe the operation of flights. In the radar we use, and in precise time measurements, very accurate time measurements we use, because these sweep generators are very high frequency circuits. They generate the high frequency waves within a single second. They will generate the sawtooth waveform with very high frequency. Next one, in time modulation also we use this voltage and current time based generators.